This video's just for you guys. Drive home. Go. Go. We'll go sideways. Huh? I'm checking our gas level because we might need to get some gas. Yeah, we're gonna need to get some gas. It's like barely even up.
No, it has that much on in it.
It would be better to fill it though. Better to be safe than sorry.
You can do it while I look for a bolt then.
I don't know how this is gonna turn out. This is our first time using a back clamp, so hey look, my air filter. I accidentally ran that over. Yeah, kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I don't think that'll work, Matt.
You never know.
Where's the gas can? Oh. If not, zip ties. Rope. Hey, look. We're here again. But we're just filling it up because it's a gas hog. Well, it used to be. Now it's not really a gas hog. But yeah.
It works.
Yeah, just in case it breaks again and we're stranded out in the middle of a trail. I'll fill this cocksucker up all the way. Sorry for my language. Okie dokie. Aha. Good idea. There. Yeah, this one has the four-wheeler tires on it. And those are going on that. But that one's flat and the rim just spins and I can't figure out how to get the tube back through. to air it up, so I'm just gonna change them because I have another set at my house that are probably a lot better grip, even though those have good grip. But my 3-wheeler, y'all are gonna be seeing that a lot soon when my dad rebuilds it for me. This is some sketchy stuff. They don't want to stay. Hey, I had an idea. It's not gonna work though. It just wants to slide off. Oh, you got it. Matt, can you come get this off?
We have 4 spares. Now I'm gonna go pay.
Go take a leak while I try to undo this bolt. Because it's fucking, my hands are cold, and when my hands are cold, they're hella weak. Don't know why. Oh god. Fast reflexes, you see that? Can't wait until I can drive, so I don't have to ride around on lawnmowers going through mudding. Me and Matt can just cruise around. That blue truck over there, when he starts driving, that's gonna be his. His grandpa's giving it to him. Now just sit and wait for it to fill. Just make sure that it does not fall, because we're gonna fill that. I'm gonna see if I can't get all the gas out of that into that, and then I'll just fill that, and then the rest will go on the trailer with him. Yeah. Yeah, this is fun. Real fun. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this. I am going to be getting new gas line for it. A new gas filter. And my air filter's over here. I'll go grab it. You guys already saw it, but just in case. It's right here. Yeah, see this? Right here. Yeah, I accidentally ran it over when we got this running again because it's been having carb problems, but I think we fixed that. I think it was just the gas. But yeah, this goes inside there, but I need to get a new one now because there's no way this will work. So, woo! Bullseye, straight over the wall. Jesus, this thing's taking forever. Let me speed it up a bit. Ugh. Will this help? We'll just kind of put that there, and then generally just fucking tilt it. I need a gas pump. This would be a lot easier. Yes, many of you would say just siphon it out, but why do that when you got this? And if you guys don't know, I'm Keith. I'm in one of Matt's videos. This is the second video I've been in, I think, or it's been 3. Don't know, but yeah. Oh yeah, I've been in a couple of his videos actually. But yeah, there's me and Kyler. Both start with the K's. So the group basically is MKK and everything, but yeah, I'm pretty lean. Me and Matt are the smart ones with motors. Kyler's just the gamer. He really doesn't like to do this stuff. Okay, so this mower and the mower right here, those 2 decks were why they wouldn't start, because they were C's. Well, that was this one. I forgot which one was which. which one was on which. I think that one was on this and this one was on this. Don't know. But yeah, he kind of killed. That was Mad Max. He was in one of the videos. He died a painful death.
He's in 4 videos, but I need to upload the other one.
Yeah. How many videos have I been in with you? I think like
2.
4 or 5.
2.
Yeah, because remember out in the woods with that tunnel and everything? 2? Yeah, I think. I don't know. I don't care. This take forever. I'm just filling this up, Matt, so we can fill this, and then when we're on the trail, if I need to, it'll be in the trailer. What are you taking off? Oh, I see. Spares just in case they fall off, because we don't have the actual thing for the trailer.
Is it somewhere at your house?
Yeah, it's lost at my house somewhere. Forgot what happened, but yeah, it's somewhere at my house. If this breaks down on the trails, it's an easy fix. A really easy fix. Not unless just something really bad goes wrong. But then. Hey man, is it still recording?
Yeah.
I have my own YouTube channel. It's just I really don't
He doesn't upload anything.
cause I kinda can't. But when I get my 3-wheeler going again and then I get my my first priority is getting my truck that I'm gonna be getting during the summer. And then after I get my truck and everything, then I'm gonna get a GoPro Hero. What was it? The GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition.
Which
And then
I wanted, but I had to get.
yeah, he had to get the Hero White,
Which is sadly the worst one.
yeah.
Because if it becomes an action camera, which it's supposed to, and the front lens breaks, I can't make no more videos with it.
I mean, you can. It's just they probably won't turn out that well.
It'll just show crack glass.
Actually, no, because my phone's camera, the back of it's cracked right over the camera.
It's different from phones.
I wonder if this is even. Yeah, we stole oil out of this, which is brand new, basically, the oil, and then put it in that. Yeah, I showed them the air filter.
Oh yeah, that you hucked over the wall.
Yeah, I wanted to put a sound effect in there. I wonder if YouTube would like the Tahoe.
I'd probably be like, sweet, but it's not gonna be in the video because your dad always says no.
Yeah.
He's absolutely genuinely his favorite word.
My dad's favorite word is no. I don't like it. This thing's taking forever, Matt. You want to blow on this to make it go faster? Do I know that person?
Looks kind of like Dakota.
That is the Dakota. Oh. Okay.
What's going on?
She's trying to find Yukon. And apparently I'm in trouble for not making a fire yesterday.
For everything, apparently. It's dying.
Yeah, my hood's kind of falling apart. Screw it. This is enough. My mom's trying to find my dog. Hopefully the animal control didn't come and get him.
You said they won't be able to catch him.
Yeah, well, I know for a fact they probably won't be able to catch that dog, but... Hand me the bolt.
Where's the bolt?
It's on the rock.
On the rock?
The rock. Here, take my hat. Put it on. You're leaving?
Yeah. We got gas now apparently.
We got him running.
Paul, you call us on the pipe here in a minute?
We'll go look.
Okay, Mike, and then let me know as soon as possible.
Alright.
Okay.
You work today?
Yeah.
Alright, have fun. Bye. I showed my mama. Yukon! Mom!
There's Yukon.
Yeah, this is my retarded hound that likes to run away. You
A lot.
Sorry for my language.
Oh, well, you don't care about your language, so it'll be fine.
You're stupid! Come on, let's go get Mom. Yukon!
And he's gone.
Hey!
He's like, ooh, car to get in? I'm going.
I love you, Mom.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, that's my mom. That's the truck that in one of the videos I slid sideways in.
A little bit, but it sucks.
A little bit.
The
Okay.
back tires completely suck
Put
on
my
it.
hat back on.
Yeah.
Because my dad doing burnouts, that's why they suck. I forgot that I've had my glasses on, that's why it's not so bright for me. The hood on, I don't know how much gas is in here.
A little bit. And that's the one that doesn't leak. You just have to put it in and then just...
I know how to use these, man. This
Yeah,
is basically the only cans my dad buys until he found those nice ones.
These white ones.
Yeah.
Is that right? Almost empty.
Don't know. Or it's just because it... No, it still has a lot in it.
Oh, it's already halfway.
Now it's almost empty.
No, it's just air coming in, and while it's still